Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a method for making money, and you can do this almost anywhere in the world, and you can do this even if you have a mobile phone. So this is really simple method. So before start the video, I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. You see here I upload daily tips and tricks videos for you peoples. So at the end, if you like this video, then please hit on like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. The website we are talking about is called testbuds.com. I provide links in description, so simply open link from description and go here and fill the details, and you will become a tester. This is basically a website where they pay you to test different applications, different softwares, and they pay you on average 20 euros. Now it depends on how complicated the test is. Usually they provide tests really simple, and all you need to do is they give you some instructions that what do on the website, on the app. They tell you whatever it is, and basically you need to find bugs. Okay, something that goes wrong, maybe crash somewhere, maybe something you don't read, maybe a button does not work. The bigger the bug, some important bug you find, the more money you gonna get paid. The more advanced testers here are earning up to 50 euros per test, which is like $50. So you're gonna get paid really good money. Obviously, the more better you are, the more tests you're gonna get paid. And when you go to sign up, you have to pass a little test so they can see if you qualify, if you are good for this, and then you gonna start receiving more tests. Now I wanna tell you again that I don't know exactly how much you get paid on per test. This depends on your test, that how much complicated bugs you find. You need to do your job properly to get paid. The requirements, you just need to have a phone, desktop, PC or Mac can do this. You see here, all you need is a device which allows you go online. You are probably using one right now. If you are interested in trying out software and giving us your feedback about it, you have all the qualities that are needed to become a test bed. If you decide that you want to know more about testing, we are happy to teach you. So, and note that they will only pay you via PayPal. They do not have another option. You see 20 euros average payment, test number of tests 1500, less number of bugs found 1 lakh 10,000. And the companies work with this website you see here are Alliance, Audi, DHL, Evening Standard, Independent. This is really big website that said. So here you see thing you need money with your smartphone, computer, PC or Mac or tablet state. These things are in requirements. You just need a mobile phone, tablet or laptop. So they will pay you via PayPal. So they not accept any other method to pay you. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new videos, and hit on like button and share video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.